Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 6 for July 2025 Patreon. We are going to be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. I'm sorry, kind of gassy. And all those links that we'll be looking at will be down below for you guys as well. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. So we got Bite the Bullet, mostly for like D&D stuff as well. I think we're getting Kobolds, looking at the top of it. We'll look at these things as well. So we got some cobalts that we're getting different types of cobalts, and we can look at a pin up in the back. You have your throwbacks as well. These cobalt has fat heads. I would say. I do like the Japanese cobalts because they're supposed to be canine like. Then over the years, we convert them more into the draconic reptilian style as well, and they're freaking hilarious a lot of times for it. So it looks like a bard. I can't really read that marauder with a slingshot. But is that he just like made wings for his backs? Oh, that's kind of funny. There's a patch in one of the sides too. There are winged kobolds, but they're really rare. Before we get the wizards. The hell is this? A kobold tribal. Then you got the trapper. They do make a lot of trap, but they never carry around that backpack. I'll tell you that. And there's a kobold barbarian with a bagpipe. So these like one of these adventuring kobolds, I would say. Kobold inventors. It's kind of hilarious. There's a kobold witch. Kobold rogue. And kobold alchemist. Yeah, kobold paladin. And you got the half dragon Shurpgon. And I'm gonna let do one turn and that'll be it. Because it has the NSFW stuff on it. You can look it up yourself on the link down below if you guys are interested in what it looks like. White Werewolf Tavern. Looks like you're having another clown uh, for this one as well. I'll watch the video for this as well. So we have another circus style White Werewolf. Slide release. Marionette Maiden as well. You got the Sorcerer of Spark and Steam. We have the Drift Meat Dealer. Actually, we'll probably use this a lot more, not in the sense that they would have it in this one. The Green Behemoth set. So them carrying around a mimic weights as well. The Rotting Rider, so like a zombie bear. Like that with a rifle in the back of it. You got your bust. There's not much as they did last time. I'm just kind of surprised for it. The printing goes ever on. This is another D&D, but they do like Lord of the Rings style gaming um, for their adventures. So we got Goblin Hordes for it and the terrain pieces. And you get the eyes and everything. I do like the slits. That makes it a lot easier for me to, put a little dab of water and a little black into it. That's the icing for it. Got a couple of those. So you're getting a whole crap of goblin. I think this is the July release for D&D style. Giant Bat, Stone Golem, Gibbering Mouth, Bullet, Quisits, Tomb Crawler, Roper. That's some cool looking Roper right there. We got the Orc Shaman, Goblin Barbarian, Goblin Bard, Tabaxi Spy. You have your terrain pieces for that as well. And Adventures for it, got bigger, better looking pieces for it. Goon Master, they do another D&D style. They do like animal-like D&D. So we got the War Hams. So a hamster with a bow, a hamster with a sword, wearing a Roman style. There's like a little mace. Ferrets and frogs. So I got a ferret and frog rider on the other one. Uh, frog frog riders on fresh ferrets. You got cats or tabaxis. We have looks like a crow alchemy. You have your bases as well. Worms. Huh. Kind of interesting for it. Last Sword Miniature. This is another Old World and Age of Sigmar style proxies for it. So we got some Bertollis looking at it. Merchant Prince. Archmage on horse. I have not completed any of that. I painted one of the box sets. That's all I have for them. But I am probably going to have to finish them up in many ways. Let's see here. The Bannermen. Yeah. We got the Adventure, the Captain and his companions. Yeah, looks like the Three Musketeers in my opinion. Oh yeah, this is what I need. This is what I need for my thing. There's some cannons and stuff. If I modify, I finally got a bigger cannon put on top of here as well. That's what I really do need. Uh, Getting my shit started. Batch Snatch Miniatures is a kind of a pinup slash D&D for it. June was the Goddess of the Sea. As your pinup. I don't know what July is going to be. Usually they will have stuff out for you guys to see through later on. Letting you guys know, I think that's the July lineup. July, the Geralt Ginger Bend. So I'm thinking Brave, the girl from Brave. What the hell? Mental Creation. I don't know if they're still alive. Nope, they're not. Cripple God Foundry, that are D&D. They moved to sci-fi. Just letting you guys know. I know it sucks. They were having dinosaurs as well. Cortocoltslus, Spinosaurus, Dementrodon, Therizanosaurus. Ash will love them because she's having a dinosaur and we gotta have metal drones. Like it's pretty creepy as hell. But I think that's it. No, we got more. Looks like you have a T-Rex and a Triceratops. We've got raptors. We've got lizardmans as well. We also got terrain pieces. That's kind of cool. Barbarians. Spellcaster. That looks like the Dino Man from X-Men. Razor talons. Yeah, lizard folks. Triceratops. Thalia. Drask. Maybe terrain pieces as well. That's kind of cool. Well, anyhow, that'll be it. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.